Hello everyone. So today we are proud to have with us Dr. Sai Kalyan, who has secured an outstanding rank of 73 in All India in 2025 NEET as a surgical group. So we are so much delighted to recognize his achievement. Thank you, Dr. Sai Kalyan, for being here and to share your
Thank you so
journey with
much.
us. Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Okay,
sir.
just tell us about yourself.
So, as I said, I'm Sai Kalyan. I did my undergraduation from Navodaya Medical College in Karnataka, sir. It's a private college.
Okay.
Then I did my MS in Karnal Medical College, government college.
Okay.
After I've done my MS, I have given an attempt, but not so seriously. That time, first time I have secured around 1100 ranks. Then I thought to give one more attempt. So actually, I was interested in surgical gastro or oncology. So for that
Okay.
rank, I won't get definitely. So
Yeah.
I've,
Yeah.
I've given one more
Uh,
attempt.
Yeah, then what was your reaction after knowing that you were in top 100?
Sir, I was like shocked. First of all, I didn't see my results. Sir, I've asked my wife to see, my wife and my sister. They saw,
Okay.
and I was totally broken. I was shouting, crying, everything.
Yeah, happily broken maybe.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Like after
So
while
like you
giving
were
exam, sir,
Mhm. Yeah,
while
no, no.
giving exam, I
Like you
thought
were
I
you were
gave very
working now
nicely.
along with you were
No, sir.
preparing,
No, sir.
right?
No, sir.
Ah, okay, you were
After that, I
preparing
didn't
only.
join any SR. I directly started preparing.
Okay. So what are the resources that you have prepared with? You straight away you take the Bailey, Sebastian, and Swartz. You read that, or you made your own notes, or you just subscribed some application to download their notes and read.
Actually, I had some other subscriptions also, sir, but I have read only textbooks, sir. The whole
Okay,
Bailey and
whole
Sebastian,
Bailey.
I had very little time by the time when I started preparing for the exam. So I thought to read only selectively from Sebastian. I've read the GIT part, trauma, and CTVS part. I have read, sir. And Schwartz and Sebastian separately, I have read all the tables and images. Like I have, there is some PDFs separately, only images and uh, tables of whole Sebastian and Schwartz. I have read all those things, textbooks, sir, and I've used the platforms for MCQs. And all. I
Okay.
didn't make and
So
made
what
any
is
notes
your
directly from
oh,
textbook. Every
textbooks only?
yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what is your take on mock exams? Like what is the importance of mock exams?
Sir, I personally feel like they are the most important thing. Simultaneous, as like how much ever you read, if you don't do
Yeah.
MCQs, there is no like you can't do MCQs. You should we only know the application how to apply the concept if you do MCQs. So I used to give a
Okay.
lot of MCQs, sir. Even whether I have read that topic or not, I used to give MCQs daily, pakka, and GTs
Okay.
also.
So how many months did you like do this MCQ practice? Like how many MCQs did you do per the day or like
Sir,
regularly
actually,
from
my
past how
preparation
many
I
months?
started from July, sir. July.
Okay.
Firstly, our exam was around October, like that. It was there, no, sir. So I started in July. Initially, I used to do at least 30 to 50 MCQs per day from the Q bank.
Good.
Then later and simultaneously GTs. GTs according to the as per schedule, which is live will be there, no, sir. I used to give. Then I have increased the for 2 months before 2 months the exam. I used to give like 50 to 100 MCQs per day. I used to
Okay.
increase based on that. If I don't feel like studying, then I used to give MCQs. So sometimes it may go some 300 also, 300, 400 also per day.
Yeah, that is important. Actually, whenever you are not feeling of doing studying, that time
Sir.
you took some MCQs and you
Yes, sir.
just getting on with that.
Uh,
Yeah,
yes,
that is
sir.
the important
It
note.
worked
Okay.
in both the sides, sir. Like if I don't do well in that MCQs, I used to get scared. So it made me to read more, no, so that I
Yeah.
need to read
Okay.
more
So
like that.
so you made your
I used to
fear to
push
motivate
myself.
you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's interesting. So what are the importance of revision that you think?
Sir, in this NEET SS, like NEET PG and NEET SS, in uh, what do you say? My seniors used to tell it is like NCRT. You need to know each and every line from the textbook. So you need to do as many revisions as you can. Like daily, there is no such limit like only 4 times, 5 times you need to read. Not like that. You need to read as many times as you can. Then only you'll remember. So overall, daily I decide to revise at least 4 times, sir. Hold the textbook. And
Good.
also while giving GT reviews, after GT I'll review now, sir. At that time also, I used to open the textbook and I used to see that, so that it will be some picture memory like that. So as many revisions as you can, you should do.
Yeah. So that is what. So whenever you are doing revising and multiple times, you are learning from the same paragraph. You will learn one more point from the paragraph.
Yes, yes, sir,
That is a
exactly.
very true statement. Also, like previously, people say that it is not important how much resources that you study. It has like
Yes,
it
sir,
is
exactly right.
important that how much repeatedly you are studying the same source. That
Same
is
source, yeah,
important.
exactly.
Yeah, that is
Ruchir sir
important.
always used to say, uh, repeat what you read again and again.
Yeah, yeah, that is true.
I just
Okay.
followed that, sir.
Okay. So from the initial mock test, so what did you do something differently that like give you some like sorry like increased your marks? Like what is the change that you did that you that helped you to score this rank?
Sir, initially, like when I'm giving marks, I used to score very less, sir. I used to score around only 100 correct, and
Okay.
sometimes even 80 only correct. Then I once I messaged the Ruchir sir, sir, what should I do? Sir
Okay.
said one strategy, sir. First analyze yourself. Like first read the question, read the all the explanation, like where you are lacking. Is there what is the catch point which you are lacking in the question, so that you can't able to reach that answer. Then I have made a notes. I used to write like where am I lacking. Then I used to
Okay.
analyze with that. So I thought ki, we used to overlook if I know some concept. So I used to come to the answer without seeing the options there. So I changed that. I used to take some time, few seconds, to read all the options and exclude myself. So in that
Yeah.
way.
Okay.
And also, sir,
So
revision, sir. I used to confuse between two options. Then also I texted Richard, sir. Like whenever I stuck, I used to text Richard, sir. Sir used to help a lot, sir. Sir
yeah, yeah,
said you need
he does.
to revise, all revise. And then I tried in one system, then it worked. I have revised 2 to 3 times. Then I used to come to the answer so quickly. So I thought, okay, revision is the key. If I
Yeah.
revise more, then I can come to the answer with that.
Okay. So you are telling that you have made some notes. So like if you do some MCQs wrong, you will like save it as a bookmark or you will just write it down in a separate notebook. So what is about the notes?
Um, that notes, it's just like rough notes, sir. Like where am I lacking?
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
I used to mark in the textbook itself, sir.
Mm.
So that while I thought to revise after at the end of the day, we should revise more, no, sir. So the revision, my material for revision is textbook only. So I used to mark there only, so that while revising, so that I can focus those topics again and again.
Good.
I used to mark in
Oh,
textbook only, sir.
okay. Okay. So like it is for your juniors, if someone is start preparing for NEET SS, so what is your like what they should do and what they should not do?
One thing is you should read textbooks, whatever it
Okay.
is. Even though you might have some other sources, like my opinion is textbook is the base. You must read daily. You have to read. There is no other option. And suggestion GIT though you have to read. And
Okay.
also MCQs. You should never miss the MCQs. Like many my friends also, they used to do like I haven't read this topic, so there is no point in doing MCQs. I'll do MCQs only after I read. So that doesn't work, in my opinion. You have to do MCQs, as many
Yeah.
MCQs. How many MCQs you do, then you'll master that topic. That is
Okay.
my answer. Textbook,
So
reading textbook and MCQs. And you should trust your teachers. Like for me,
true.
Richie sir seriously guided me so much personally, and also
Good,
some
good.
other sir, my professors and all.
Okay.
Um, Trust
Okay.
them, trust one thing, then just follow it.
Yeah.
Then you'll
Okay.
definitely succeed.
So one more thing, one interesting question. So which topic that you have like feared of that studying the topic and you felt that you are weak in the topic, then you became later you became master of it. So how did you encounter that? Like with specific topic?
Sir, usually what I'll do is if I don't know the topic or if I am scared of the topic, I'll start with the topic.
Okay.
I'll give more time to the
Okay.
topic. I'll discuss more with my friends, or I'll do more MCQs on that again and again, again and again. So that best example
Okay.
is GIT only, sir. Actually, I'm I'm little poor at GIT. So I just started with GIT. I started
Okay.
studying GIT Sebastian part, and then I did repeatedly MCQs on that. Then at the end of the day, I felt like there is no even if I read only once, I can definitely do any MCQs if it comes from GIT like that. I started with
Okay.
GIT. At the end of the day, I just mastered it.
So you were mentioning about discussions. So what is about discussion? Like you always studied with your friends, with
No, sir.
colleagues?
No
Okay.
discussion is. I used to discuss myself. I used to keep some groups. I just made some groups in like for myself in the WhatsApp and Telegram, and
Okay.
also Decathlon group is there, no, sir. WhatsApp group.
Yeah. Yeah.
I used to
Our
be
group you
active
have
in that.
mentioned.
If
Yeah. Yeah.
anyone else asks some doubt, also I used to answer them. Even if I
Yeah.
don't know, I just read them and I'll answer them, so that it will be helpful for myself.
Yeah, true, true. Yeah, that is like nowadays it is very important what you have mentioned. Like we have like we are preparing who are seriously preparing for the NEET SS. They are in particular group and they discuss among themselves for the
Yes, sir.
important doubts and changes. Yeah, that is also nowadays it's important. Like in a digital era, that is
Yes, sir.
also a part of preparation nowadays.
Actually, in our group, like many of them unknowingly helped me a lot.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
they have
true.
put their questions. I didn't know those topics. Because of them, I came to know those topics. I read in textbook and I have answered to them. Like that
Yeah, yeah,
made me push.
actually, we you should read all those messages. I have seen your messages before also, like during discussions. We'll just see learn what is going on and what is how they're like you guys are improving. Also by hearing your story, it's pure of a hard work. Yeah, right. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
we are very, very happy. And how did Sushruta help you in this journey?
Sir, firstly, during my MS period, I didn't know about this Sushruta, sir. Frankly
Okay,
speaking, I never heard of
okay,
it. Once I
okay,
just saw in Telegram. Actually, my wife saw and she showed me. I just didn't
okay.
know about this. After when I started to prepare, then I saw some videos, sir, like in YouTube, last year previous rankers. Then I came to know about this thing. I asked few
Yeah,
of my seniors. Everyone said about Decathlon series.
okay.
Then I just first installed app and talked to Ruchir sir. I felt so positive. Like when I asked Ruchir sir about the how to proceed and all, sir helped me. Like even
Yeah,
though I'm not the subscriber, he really helped me.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
he gave
Yeah,
me
he
so much
always
of
does that.
motivation. Then I thought to I took the Decathlon series, and that is amazing, sir. I used to tell all my juniors and also my friends. I have said a lot of times. I'm impressed by the explanation that they give in MCQs, sir. Like all the concept they'll give and what is the answer, why it is correct, and rest of the options why they are not correct, and also
Yeah.
where they might be correct. And at the end, again, key points for NEET SS, which you must remember like that. Like the whole concept will know by one that MCQ.
Yeah, good, good, good.
That is
Okay,
amazing, sir.
so
Like that decathlon,
okay, so
I can remember like many
uh,
concepts directly while giving final exam. They are from decathlon series. The concepts I used to
okay,
recall. Okay, this has come in decathlon series. Like I was so happy while giving exam also.
okay.
And also
So
your
again,
classes, sir. I took ethos, the
oh, okay.
trauma, the pediatrics, and the urology. You are
Yeah,
amazing, sir.
yeah. Thank you, thank you. You guys are always kind to me. Okay, so yeah, that is what we recently started this rapid revision series on ethos.
Yes,
Like
yes.
will it really helpful or do we need to like do something to better of ourselves? Like any pros and
So
cons?
one thing what I felt is it is too much, sir. Vast.
Vast
Yes, sir. And that is also it is too close to the exam period.
exams.
Uh,
Okay,
Even though if we listen classes, we should revise again, no, sir. We should see the videos or we
true.
should.
That is true.
So
That is
such huge concept if we cannot cover in that short period of time. What I felt.
yeah, yeah.
One of my junior he also took ethos.
Okay.
Like he didn't read, just he directly took ethos. So what he felt
Okay.
is that pediatric surgery, it is like very much new concept, many things. Like I have read
True.
previously, so it is a bit okay for me. It was like revision only for
Yeah.
me. But for
Yeah, that is what.
fresher, for few things, I felt it is so
Yeah, that is
vast.
what, like, in rapid revision, we do revision very fast and we do tell concepts fast so that we don't waste the students' time during
Yes, sir.
the, like,
Yes, sir.
end part of the exam. So that is the
Yes.
concept behind this rapid revision series. Okay,
But
so
when the sessions were live, few of them used to ask, slow down, to
yeah,
you know,
yeah,
sir. Then used
yeah,
to
yeah,
slow down. There, I felt like
yeah.
it took so much of
Okay.
time,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and
Sometimes
also
we
it is
need
near to
to.
the. At least if
Yeah.
it was 1 month, 1.5 month to the exam, it has finished, so that we can revise again. It will be
Okay,
helpful.
noted, noted, noted. Okay, okay. So we are very happy. Congratulations again,
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Dr.
so
Sai
much.
Kalyan. We are very proud to be part of your small journey, and
So thank you,
we
sir.
are wishing you the very best for your dream ahead. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
So
Thank
glad
you.
to meet you, sir. To
Yeah.
have an
Thank you.
interview with you.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Yeah.